What's up, guys? Welcome back to Beast Bros, and we have Squeaky here. Say hi. He just been out earlier, so he might be a little scared. Say hi. Really? He's sneezing a lot. He's not feeling good. You hear him squeaking. Oh, wait. What's wrong? Your legs hurt. Scared. Stop squealing. My piggy here. Chop. Chop. Chop him in half. Say hi. That's you, Louie. That's you. You're on YouTube. You're famous. So that's it for Chewy Louie. Bye.